And I'm power washing with the Greenworks 2000psi power washer. Testing it out on my stairs right now to my basement, and so far it's working pretty good. It's actually working really good, really well. I just did the siding, and I had a lot of mold on the siding right here above the basement stairwell, mainly because a lot of grass cutting and clippings going over the side, and green stuff is just forming. I guess it's mold forming on the siding. So I got that off right now. Now I'm doing the stairs. As you can see, look how bad this is. All that green mold or whatever that is forming up here on the bottom. So I'm going to power wash it. And so far this is my neighbor's power washer. He let me borrow it so I can try it out before I purchase it. But I think he purchased it for like $180 and at Lowe's, but I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but it's working pretty well. So I'm gonna run it real quick, show you how much of this stuff is coming off and how easy it is. I'm using the power tip, or actually the turbo tip, which actually rotates the stream of water. It kind of spins, as you can see, and then spins at a high rate of speed. So let's here we go. So as you can see, it knocks that dirt and mildew right off pretty easily. I had actually soaked the stairs with the soap, with the detergent beforehand, let it soak in, and then I went over it with the power washer. So it's pretty good. So the Greenworks 200psi, I'm not sure the name of it, the actual name of the actual machine, the model, but it's just Greenworks 2000psi.